Oh my god.
That's really bad.
Ngut ki Briew ki la yap bat Ngut ki la Mynsaw hadien ba away Briew la Rung hapo Ïingmane Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints bat Siat ya ki Briew ki badan hapo kanikla jahinan ka singi ublay ha ka por kumba shipho at pasal minute AA midstep ha ka shnong Grand Blank ka badan ha Michigan laitho ba away Briew badan South Post nam karta ubadena burton ulawan da kakali hadu ka jingkhang ka ba hakmat chong ka Ïingmane bat Siat ki Briew badon hapo ka te ka Ïingmane ki bor pulit ki thu ru ba kaladon ru ka jingplu ding ha ka te ka Ïingmane bat langet iya ka te ka kam balale do uni uju hi Briew bat ute Briew la Shah Siat no na ka te ka jingja
Oh my god.
That's really bad.
I'm at the scene of a giant fire happening at a church in Grand Blanc, Michigan. I talked to someone who just got here from South America. It's his first week in the US, went to church with his mom. His mom is still in the building and he got out. From what I'm hearing on the ground, a man drove his vehicle into the church and then started shooting and even shot a little girl in the back, and she is at the hospital right now. The shooter has been neutralized, but that's all I know at the moment. Everyone within a 30-minute radius has responded to the scene.
During this incident, what we know right now is that a 40-year-old suspect from Burton, he's a male, he drove his vehicle through the front doors of the church. He then exited his vehicle, firing several rounds at individuals within the church. 10 gunshot victims have been transported to local hospitals at this time, including one who has been deceased.
Oh my god.
That's really bad.